Located in the Netherlands, more specifically Moordrecht, you will find 123 Ignition. Let's take a look within the 123 Ignition brand and the production process of our electronic distributors. All 123 Ignition products are made within these walls by our crew. We work as a close team during the entire production process. By using the most modern machines for the production, we can guarantee precise and reliable electronics, which are the base of our products. One of these machines is the pick-and-place machine, which has a component placement accuracy in the range of 0.1 of a millimeter. A quick visual inspection to check the quality and the electronics can go into our special vapor phase oven. The vapor ensures even heating and therefore a good soldering process on all circuit boards. Although machines can do a lot of the work, some things still have to be done by hand. For example, the wire soldering. Everything we produce has been designed from scratch by our engineers. The software is specifically written for each product. Back to the production process, where this software is now being programmed into each circuit board. Afterwards, the programmed board gets mounted in the housing. Now it's time for the final test. We make sure the distributor gives correct timing, RPM advance and the right spark current. Depending on the 123 Ignition model, the vacuum advance and Bluetooth connection are tested as well. We place the 123 in its packaging and the distributor is complete and ready to make another classic car owner happy with no distributor maintenance and years of comfortable driving ahead.